Hi guys, I'm going to make one of my favorite snacks, or well, not just snacks, just food items that I like to eat occasionally. And so yeah, it's really easy. You only need three ingredients, and that's some whole wheat bread or any type of bread that you like to toast it up, some marmalade. I really like the orange marmalade, and some cottage cheese. And so yeah, I already toasted my whole wheat toast, and I'm just gonna put some orange marmalade on the toast. So that's the orange marmalade spread evenly on my whole wheat toast, and now I'm just going to put some cottage cheese. You want to make sure I want to make sure that it's evenly spread and I have enough cottage cheese everywhere. And that's it. That's ready to eat. My whole wheat toast with some marmalade and cottage cheese snack is delicious and healthy. Sometimes I have eaten this as a breakfast. It's delicious. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.